You probably already know about ceviche, but do you know about another popular Mexican ceviche dish called aguachile? I want to show you how easy it is to make it, and it's going to be completely vegan. The ingredients are 1 very thinly sliced chayote, 1 cup of sliced red onion, 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed, 1 cup of sliced cucumber, a pinch of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 garlic, 2 jalapenos, half a cup of chopped cucumber, 1/3 cup of lime juice, 1 cup of packed cilantro leaves, and for garnish, avocado, cilantro, and some drops of olive oil. You can find this appetizer in the northern coast of Mexico, especially in the state of Sinaloa, although it's honestly gained a lot of popularity even into the US. Add the lime juice to the wakame seaweed and hydrate it for 30 minutes so that it releases a fishy flavor. Aguachile roughly translates to chili water, which refers back to the original recipe, which mostly uses raw shrimp marinated in a watery chili sauce. To make it vegan, I'm using one of my favorite ancient ingredients, chayote. This squash, when raw, has hints of an apple, a cucumber, and a jicama kind of combined, marinating so well in the aguachile sauce. Making this aguachile a well-balanced, very fresh appetizer, perfect for a summer day. Blend everything except the chayotes, the onion, and the sliced cucumbers until liquefied. Thank you to the sponsor of this video. My cookbook, it is finally here. It will be out starting July 17. If you like my videos and are looking for a way to support this channel, this is one of the best ways that you can do so. I will leave a link in the description so you can get all of the details about how you can get your own copy. Let's get back to the recipe. Combine the rest of the ingredients with the sauce. Rest in the fridge for at least 1 hour. I prefer overnight. Garnish with some fresh cilantro, avocado, and a few drops of olive oil. I love how well this dish pairs with totopos because of that crunchiness, and I have to add avocado to mine, but let me know down in the comments how you like to eat it. On a tostada with some chips, I would love to know. And if you're looking for another ceviche recipe, I will make sure to leave one here. Buen provecho.